Is that a record?
Yes.
It's great, John.
Do it.
No, John.
I hate you.
Chicken! Ah! Chicken! Ah! Ah! Chicken! Ah! Chicken! Ah! Chicken! Ah! Chicken! Ah! Chicken!
I can't even see you on the screen.
Ah! Chicken! She fucked up my order. She laughed at me. She said, ah! "No snack wrap for you. Ah! No snack wrap for you. Chicken!" Ah!
You're gonna make
She
me
fucked-
laugh to death.
She fucked me out of my chicken because I want my fucking chicken. Ah!
You deserve it.
Chicken!
What?
Nigger loving whore. Like nigger cock. Oh, fucking piece of shit. Ah!
I'm posting this on Facebook.
I want my chicken! I want my chicken!
We can't even see you. Do you want to know what we see? We see a whole big black screen. Shut up, you're not black. That's actually really racist. Okay, I'm gonna cut that out.
Drinking nigger juice. Drinking my nigger juice.
Yay!
Bad nigger blood! Tastes so good! Makes the bathroom never smell funky. Yeah!
You didn't notice what I just did.
Chicken!
What did I do?
Watermelon!
No, what did I do?
Juice!
No, what did I do?
Kool-Aid!
No, what did I do?
Sip your drink.
How did you know?
Kool-Aid! Chicken! Ah! My chicken!
That's nice.
Ah! Snack wrap!
I'm gonna eat your chicken.
Snack wrap!
If I eat your chicken, what are you gonna do?
Chicken!
I'm gonna eat your chicken.
Yep.
What are you gonna do if I eat your chicken?
My chicken's in my hand.
I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna eat it. What are you gonna do?
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Well, what are you gonna do though if I do get it? If I ever get it, what
Smack
do
you like a little nigger.
Does I look black to you?
I'm gonna grab your drink there, little boy.
We said I'm not allowed to touch